aqui no Animal Kingdom. Agora está na fila do Avatar. Do Dica, Bebequita. Ai, cadê minha Minnie mais linda? Não, do é. Olha eles lá, Dani, olha lá. A roupa da Rebeca Sandy. Olha, Dani.
Ela é de verdade?
Não, é de brincadeirinha.
Tá fazendo a música.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit.
Cadê ele? Vai aparecer.
We've come to town for a big celebration.
Don't worry, girl. Funny Timothy's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. Good turn. On the count of 3, let's get some story. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, guys. Looks like we're all here. Let's go.
That's enough, boys. Let's settle down. For the last time, quiet! My friend, if you please. Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing parade! Popo, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section. Besides, my little legs get... Over to the century! Be prepared for but today...
Que ele vai ficar lá, ele tá lá em cima, ó.
Ok.
Come on, everybody, come on, let's sing along.
This spot here in the military forest. A lot of the animals here use their camouflage really well to blend in with their surroundings. Some are nocturnal, meaning more active at night. Keep an eye out. Now, a watering hole down here is a good use their guller pouches to carry fish as a snack for later, but they'll use it more as
É o
a
cheiro
net.
da
So they'll catch
floresta.
the fish, squeeze out all the water, and pretty much swallow
It's the
them
jungle smell.
immediately. Now, as you round the corner here, my friends, we're gonna those are its branches. It's just leafless up to about 9 months out of the year. Well, here it is, my friends. In my opinion, the most beautiful of the savannah. I think I can already spot some pretty cool animals way off in the distance. Now, don't you worry, we're about to get nice and close to each and every one of them, because we are lucky enough to be able to drive right through these grasslands. Follow along with If you take a look here on the left, you're going to see that mandrill. There's one behind the bushes on the left. Largest monkeys in Africa, weighing upwards of 100 pounds.
Wow.
Let's get a good look at this African elephant. Check
Olha
that
isso,
guy
que
out.
lindo!
Now, this is a male elephant, but you can tell he's a male.
Você que elefante.
I'm trying to get a better look up here as soon as the truck in front of me moves. Now, elephants have a gestation period of about can be heard up to about 5 miles away, which I think is pretty
Tá vendo a
impressive.
leoa?